Registration Law and 1951 Resident Registration Act No. 1. Rohingya and other ethnic had applied for NRC card with the law of indigenous ethnic categories. Rohingya and all ethnic groups had to apply for NRC card, National Registration Card Form 2, with full documentation. With those documents, according to the Myanmar Resident Registration Rule Article 7, Rohingya and other ethnic were recognized as a Myanmar original ethnic. After registration, according to 1951 Resident Act Article 12, our ethnic Rohingya and all ethnic got NRC card, National Registration Card Form 2. Those cards were issued for beginning of indigenous ethnic categories. So, we Rohingya were the same indigenous ethnic, according to the law. Rohingya were recognized as an ethnic group by Cabinet decision on 25 September 1954. It was announced by the Prime Minister UNU that Rohingyas are a nationality of Burma and 75 persons are resident in Mongdo and Butidong Township. He also exposed that there are loyalties on the country. The use Rohingyas language was granted by the Cabinet decision of 5 May 1961. Used to the broadcast of Myanmar official radio under the National Race Program. This, however, was stopped on 1st October 1965 by the Cabinet decision. 15 November 1961, the majority of Rohingya residents in the areas are comprising of Butidong and Mongdo and western part of the Rasidong Township were promoted as the Menu Frontier area and administrated directly from the central government. The Menu Frontier area was handed over the Ministry of Home Affairs 1st February 1964. And Phil was situated at Cap District. This document was on the history of Geography of Myanmar for the History Student Code number 19, Chapter 4, page number 83, and Ancient Culture Study Book, page number 94. Another one. Myanmar Army General, Bowl number 12 and number 6. Another one, History, High School Geography, page number 86, which was published 1978. Another one, Myanmar Radio Broadcasting Program with Rohingya language, a day since 15 May 1961 to 13 October 1965. According to the Cabinet decision, Prime Minister UNU, Defense Minister Ubasu, and UONG decision. Therefore, we note that Rohingya was